DentaCAD. You have challenges. We provide smart solutions. Have current economic conditions put an extra squeeze on your profit margins? In recent manufacturer surveys conducted by DentaCAD, almost unanimously the answer was a resounding yes. Among the manufacturers we surveyed, improving profit margins was the #1 priority. DentaCAD is a solution many of your competitors are already profiting from, and in a moment we'll be asking you to join them. But first, let's examine the challenges that we understand your business faces. Time alone will solve many of the broad economic challenges we presently face, but those manufacturers who choose to find solutions they can control now will have a head start and be better able to hunker down and ride out tough economic times. Current economic conditions are certainly a challenge, but according to our surveys, the costs of errors in the ordering process amounts to at least 5% of your sales. These costs are often invisible and are shared by literally everyone, by you as a manufacturer, by your dealers, and by dentists. Let's examine some of the typical causes of these costly errors to better understand them. Then, we'll show you how the DentaCAD system can provide smart solutions. Anyone associated with the dental industry for any length of time knows that this has been an ongoing problem. Quite often, there is a mismatch between the product catalog and the price list. This is a real problem, for which DentaCAD offers smart solutions. The typical sale of dental products involves many different manufacturers with many different options and discounts. This fact alone makes placing an accurate order a very daunting task, especially if the salesperson does not have the right sales tools. This problem has many causes. Some are simply the result of inexperience. Some are the result of a salesperson having to deal with the many different product lines, options, and discounts. Some are the result of transferring information using antiquated paperwork systems that are subject to inherent problems of their own, such as transposing inaccurately or misreading illegible data. It should be noted that if a mistake is made on the original order, it may never be caught and corrected, as the order makes its way through the entire ordering process. This has an obvious negative effect on your bottom line. As you can see from this flowchart, there are numerous steps in the ordering process involving many persons. The chance for errors is high. Our research has revealed that most errors occur at the very beginning of the ordering process and often make their way through the rest of the process without ever being discovered. So the most logical solution to this problem is to simply stop those mistakes from ever getting into the system in the first place. With this goal in mind, DentaCAD has developed Smart Catalog in concert with the DentaCAD system and SmartLink. This chart graphically demonstrates the dramatic difference. According to manufacturers we surveyed, errors in the ordering process can add up to at least 5% of your sales dollars. Let's take a closer look at some of these costs and how they affect your bottom line. Correcting errors takes time, reduces allotted lead times, and delays delivery. Your customers get angry when this happens, and you lose business. You make a profit when your people design and manufacture your equipment. You don't when they have to spend time correcting errors. As you know painfully well, correcting an equipment order is usually a fire drill, and expensive overtime is required. The costs of restocking are usually not trackable, but are nonetheless significant. Dental equipment manufacturers have certainly played their part in keeping FedEx and UPS in business. The greater risk of all these problems is the loss of future business, and that means zero profits. Now that we have defined the challenges, the causes, and the effect they have on your bottom line, we'd like to tell you how the DentaCAD system can address and overcome these challenges. DentaCAD is a comprehensive solution which not only increases your profitability, it also provides you a way of increasing your sales with a powerful new sales tool. The first step in the DentaCAD Plus system is the creation of all of your databases, including technical, catalog, and interactive price lists in a standardized format. Since no manufacturer makes all the products required to equip a typical dental facility, it's important that databases be in a format that facilitates mixing of equipment in the planning and ordering process. DentaCAD is recognized as having set the standard for database creation in the dental industry. We'll demonstrate how easy it is to use DentaCAD in just a moment. Here are the components of this comprehensive solution-based system. The first step in the Smart Catalog process is when DentaCAD compares your product catalog and price list. Invariably, errors and inconsistencies are discovered and corrected. Corrected before they ever get into the ordering process, as you'll see for yourself in just a moment. RepAlert is the only automated electronic data dissemination system in the dental industry. As you know, costly errors that erode your profits will occur if you and your dealers do not have accurate and up-to-date information. Every time you introduce new products or update your current product line, RepAlert automatically notifies all DentaCAD users. What better advertising could you have, and what other form of advertising could be as inexpensive? As we saw on the flowchart earlier, the likelihood of errors increases the more times data is transferred manually. SmartLink is the solution to this problem. We'd like to give you a very brief, real-time demonstration of how the DentaCAD system addresses your profitability challenges and helps you close the sale. We have met with our dentist, who says he's just hired a new associate who is left-handed. Our dentist wants a recommendation for a basic package without extras, and he does not need stools or any other equipment. Using DentaCAD's Smart Catalog feature, we will demonstrate in real time how our response is easily and accurately accomplished. First, we double-click on the DentaCAD icon on our desktop. RepAlert appears and notifies us there is new data available for downloading. In the interest of time, we select Not Right Now, since we know we have the latest data from our recommended manufacturer, Forest Dental. Now we select Equipment Type and Units. From the list of manufacturers whose unit databases are in the DentaCAD system, we will select Forest Dental. When we do, the complete list of units available from Forest Dental appears. From this list, we select the 4485 IC Pivot Doctor System. Next, we click on the Catalog button, and Forest Dental's catalog opens up where we find a package which contains the appropriate products. We simply place our mouse arrow on the part number, 4485, and a hand appears. We then repeat this same procedure to add the 1090 Assistance Instrumentation, the 6300 Operatory Chair, the 9040 Dental Light, and the 1110-644 Light Post. We now open the full worksheet and see that all the items we selected are listed on our worksheet with their product description, part number, and retail price exactly as shown in the product catalog. We now have the option to make notes on the worksheet, like chair color, Morgard bone. We can also adjust selling price to reflect the desired profit margin. There are many other capabilities on the worksheet, such as offering financing options. But since our doctor is anxious to get these products on order, we select Generate Reports. And from the list of options, we select Purchase Agreement. We now see all the products we have selected on this document exactly as they appeared on the worksheet. We are now prepared to ask for the order and have a purchase agreement ready for the doctor's approval signature. We've just created a scenario where the salesperson sat with their customer, showed them the product, discussed features and benefits, created an accurate order with all the pertinent details, and has asked for the order. All done in a very succinct, professional, and timely manner. And we have walked away with a profitable, signed contract. No other system contains all the elements needed to reach this successful conclusion of the sales process in such an efficient manner. Take a look at what's being said by some of the people who are already benefiting from the DentaCAD system. Greg Kuklinski, National Equipment Manager at Henry Schein Dental, highly endorses the DentaCAD system, especially the Smart Catalog feature. Roger Abott, owner of Midway Dental, is especially glad that he and his salespersons no longer have to deal with an automobile trunk full of catalogs, most of which are always outdated. Rick Cacciatore with Iowa Dental is happy to report that with the DentaCAD system, he and his people are much more efficient and can close sales much quicker. Eric Dunkel, territory manager with Dental Health Products, probably says it best. He simply would not attempt to make a sale without DentaCAD. Taking advantage of the DentaCAD system to improve your profit margins is simple and relatively inexpensive. It's an excellent investment with an excellent return. If you're a current subscriber, continue to keep all your databases current by sending in the required data in a timely manner. And consider having your sales representatives use DentaCAD, as many of your dealers are. If you're not a current subscriber, DentaCAD is ready to submit a proposal and get you on the way to improving your bottom line. Ordinary people armed with the right tools can produce extraordinary results. DentaCAD and Smart Catalog are the right tools. Because at the end of the day, the salesperson that is the most informed, the most professional, most persistent, and most prepared wins. Contact us to find out more about how DentaCAD can provide smart solutions to many of your challenges. And thank you.